Is remote workforce management challenge for HR in Pakistan? Authors, Dr. Amir Feroz Shamsi. The increase in remote working has significantly altered the traditional way of working and brought changes in the employees' working qualities. Efficiency and effectiveness both have been affected by remote working. Among all departments, human resource, HR, department is considered as one of the most important departments that might be affected by the remote working. In this blog post, it is being discussed that how remote work poses a threat to HR, the difficulties, opportunities, strength, weaknesses the HR professional must adapt while working in this digital era. During the COVID-19 pandemic, employees' homes suddenly became the most important place for business. Many nations have supported this WFH by using their homes as a buffer against economic downturns. We contend that governments and businesses view housing as an essential component of economic growth. It is possible to view employers who provide work-from-home positions as an effective strategy for combating the epidemic. Managers, employees, and their families all need to adjust. People's behavior has been changed as a result of technological advancements that have made it possible for them to WFH, particularly staff. It has also been helpful to some businesses during the trying pandemic. The WFH model has been adopted by businesses, which rely on cutting-edge technology to lower the associated costs of regulatory compliance. It has long been recognized in the field of human resource management that employees experience feelings of frustration and stress when confronted with danger or uncertainty, such as COVID-19. An outbreak can put HRM professionals under a lot of stress, which can help them evaluate opportunities and new developments in a dangerous and uncertain environment. Understanding how these outbreaks affect employee fit and how to deal with dangerous misfits will be essential as the company continues to adjust its HR policies and practices in response to COVID-19. The pandemic has had a significant impact on HRM procedures and policies across a variety of industries. A number of difficulties that HR professionals face as a result of the shift in work patterns are evidence of the significant impact. Traditional HR practices have primarily focused on the employee's management in the physical offices of the organization, privacy and separate spaces that is being challenged in remote work. To support and effectively engage a distributed employee, HR department have to think that what exactly their role is in remote work environment and work on the modification of their strategies. Sahayan US, 2022. One of the great opportunities for HR in remote working is to attract top talent regardless of location. They hire the global talent pool. However, HR professionals must focus on the implementation of the new strategies that can focus on virtual interviewing, evaluating capabilities for remote collaboration, and ensure the quality of the work cultural compatibility with remote team. Furthermore, remote working have some threats in the domain of performance management procedure. HR must emphasize on the clear performance expectations from the employees. There must be measurable goals and remote-friendly tools that can be used by HR team to monitor the employee's progress. There are many softwares where the tasks are allocated, and just like physical organization check-in and check-out time, we do have option of remote check-in and check-out time by using appjibble.com. Moreover, to maintain the motivation and engagement among employees who are doing work from home, WFH, HR can implement virtual social events, providing opportunities for career advancement and skill development to motivate virtual mentorship programs. The balance between WFH and personal life is hard to manage. This could lead towards the poor well-being and burnout. The mental health of the employee can be disturbed, so HR professionals clearly define the working hours, breaks, and promotion ground. In addition, in post-pandemic scenario, finding the right balance between WFH and office work enables organizations to leverage the advantages of both environments. It allows for flexibility, individual preferences, and tailored approaches that maximize productivity, employee satisfaction, and overall organizational performance.